Welcome to maidcv.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Angeli Paredes, Filipino, married. I have two children here in the Philippines.
Okay, did you work before as a housemaid?
Yes, for 1 year.
For 1 year? What were your duties and responsibilities?
I can clean the house, wash the clothes, dusting and vacuuming, ironing the clothes.
Okay. So describe in details how do you perform your task for each location in the house. For example, you're going to clean the toilet. How are you going to clean the toilet?
I can remove all the things and clean the tiles, toilet bowl, and scrubbing the tiles.
Okay.
And put all the things and I can arrange all the things.
Okay, good. And how about the bedroom? How are you going to clean the bedroom?
The bedroom or remove all the pillows, bed sheet, and I can remove the curtain and vacuum vacuum of the furniture and put all the things and I can arrange all the things.
Okay, the clean ones. Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
Yes,
Okay, what kind of foods you can cook?
Filipino food.
What kind of Filipino foods you can prepare?
And
Yes, what kind of Filipino foods you can prepare?
prepare adobo,
Adobo,
chapsuy and menudo.
adobo, chop suey, and
Chapsuy,
And menudo.
sinigang.
Okay. Okay, so can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yes,
Okay. So, as a mother of two, what activities do you perform with your children?
I can teaching good manners.
Okay. What else?
Counting number and learning ABC and playing with them.
Okay. So, if one of them get hurt, what will you do?
Give them medicine and appropriate medicine and I can carrying a baby.
Okay.
Picture, yeah.
Okay. So, what, how are you going to describe yourself? What qualities do you have?
I am 4'11".
What qualities? Characteristics. For example, are you a hardworking, funny person? What qualities do you have?
I am a hardworking. I am. I am a.
Hardworking and what
I am.
else?
I am a kind woman and.
Hardworking and kind. Okay, please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you? Give a short message. What are you going to say to your future employer? Mhm.
Hello, mom and sir.
Mhm.
I am still looking a job.
Mhm.
Please, can you?
Please. What? Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you for MaidTV.com.